Welcome back to another Tech Days tutorial. Today I have a quick tool for you to use to be able to draw on any website when using Google Chrome. Let's jump into it. Roll intro. The first thing you're going to want to do is check out my link that's going to be on the page right now. That's my shortened URL for teachers so that you can go find it and add it to your Chrome browser pretty easily. So once you have your extension added to your Chrome browser, you're going to go to a web page that you want to use it on, because it's only going to mark up on the tab or the web page of that tab that you have started the extension on. And yes, you can open it in multiple tabs. So find it in the extensions and then click on it. You will see it pop up in the top right corner. You can move it around anywhere on the screen that you want. There are a lot of tools, but the basic drawing tool is the pencil that you'll probably use the most often. The color picker tool is pretty cool to find a color that you like from a page that you're on. You can even add text anywhere you want. There are a ton of lines that you can make, and I'll go over them later. You can't use the undo shortcut. You actually have to click it, which is pretty annoying, but it's there. When you go to settings, it just gives you a list of keyboard shortcuts to use as the tools. Shape Builder is cool. You can make circles, ovals, rectangles, and line connector. The paint bucket is nice. You can fill in those shapes that you created. If you go into size, that makes the line either thicker or thinner in shapes and your drawing tool. Transparency makes what you are about to put onto your screen see-through or not see-through. This is good for making a highlighter tool for yourself when using the pencil tool. You can click on the mouse icon and you just keep working on your page like it was just normal. Erase all is good for starting over in your page. Also, if you refresh your page, everything will go away as well. Now to go back to the lines, I really doubt that you're going to be using a lot of these line tools, because basically it allows you to do some really curvy lines that are actually more complicated than they're worth. But here's some examples of what you can do for those lines. And then you can also erase things. I'm not a big fan of the eraser tool. I just use the undo feature. And that pretty much wraps it up. I know a lot of you are probably going to be using the tool, like the pencil tool, to be able to just draw on there, or maybe even the text tool, or kind of using the pencil tool with a low opacity to be able to highlight things. That's probably pretty much all you're going to use. And this is a really easy way to do that, whether you're doing online class or you want to work on something in a Google Doc or something like that while you are doing something on the board for your students. But there you have it. Well, that was cool. I hope you find a fun use for this to help you teach. And as always, I appreciate everything that you do and your students do too. Stay awesome, my friend, and thanks for stopping by.